Have you ever wondered if a machine could create something entirely new, not just repeat or process what it's been fed? Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing world of generative artificial intelligence, or generative AI for short. Now, you've probably heard of traditional AI, which trains models to make predictions or classifications based on data. It's like teaching a child to recognize a cat by showing them pictures of cats until they can point out a cat on their own. Enter generative AI. This is a whole new ballgame. Instead of just recognizing patterns, generative AI is about creating entirely new content. Imagine if that child we taught to recognize cats could then draw a completely new cat, one that's never been seen before. Now you might be thinking, that sounds fascinating, but how does it work? Well, you're in for a treat. Think about a painter who has never seen a sunset but can still paint one. That's what generative AI does. In the realm of creativity, generative AI has been pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine this, an AI program trained on thousands of classical artworks, generating a completely new piece of art that could easily pass as a long-lost masterpiece. Or a musical composition crafted by an algorithm that evokes the same emotions as a symphony by Beethoven or Mozart. These aren't just flights of fancy, they're real, tangible examples of generative AI in action. But it's not just about creating art for art's sake. Generative AI serves practical purposes too. Take the world of video games, for instance. Developers now use AI to generate incredibly realistic environments and characters, making the virtual world more immersive than ever before. Imagine walking through a forest in a game, where each tree, each leaf, each blade of grass has been generated by an AI, creating a unique, never-before-seen landscape every time you play. Moving from the world of virtual reality to reality, let's consider the field of medicine. Here, generative AI is playing a crucial role in research and development. It can generate synthetic data such as medical images or patient records that researchers can use to test new treatments or algorithms without compromising patient privacy. This not only accelerates research but also opens up new avenues for exploration that were previously unthinkable due to data limitations. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. From designing new materials to predicting complex weather patterns, generative AI is revolutionizing industries and fields across the board. It's like having a limitless army of painters, musicians, designers and scientists, all working tirelessly, all capable of creating things that we humans can only dream of. Impressive, isn't it? But how does it pull off these feats of creation? The magic behind generative AI is all about algorithms and data. To put it simply, generative AI is like a master artist who studies the world around them, absorbing every detail, every pattern, to create something new and unique. But instead of paint and canvas, it uses algorithms and data. Here's how it works. Generative AI utilizes a type of algorithm called a neural network, which is designed to mimic the way our human brains operate. These neural networks are fed vast amounts of data, learning patterns and intricacies within the information they're given. This is where machine learning comes into play. As the AI processes the data, it learns, it adapts, and it evolves, honing its ability to generate new, original content. Now take this concept and apply it to anything from creating a piece of music to designing a whole new video game character. So the next time you see a stunning piece of art or a realistic video game character, remember, you might just be admiring the work of a generative AI. So we've unraveled the mystery of generative AI. We've delved into its unique nature, setting it apart from traditional AI. We've witnessed its application in our world, from crafting masterpieces of art to writing sophisticated code. We've even dipped our toes into the complex mechanics that make it all possible. As AI continues to evolve, who knows what marvelous creations we'll see next from these digital artists and inventors? Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring.